So I wanted here to see all the inputs. So you must go on the escape and then set up here, and then you go on start screen and choose input, digital input here. Say okay and then escape. This is menu, there is input, and then you can restart the system by removing the fuse and then switch on again. As you can see, escape, program must be started. Just yes, okay. So now everything is okay. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here I have here the